so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey! It's me, Blippi! Whoa! And look at what it is! Whoa! It's an airplane! Today, I'm at Air and Air at the Boeing Field in Seattle, Washington. And you and I are gonna learn about, yep, airplanes. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Hey, let's learn the exterior parts of the airplane. Do you see this? This is the nose of the airplane. Do you know why it's called the nose? Yeah, because it looks like a nose. Oh, hey, come over here. Up here, those are the windscreens. They kind of look like windshields. Yeah, just like in cars. Whoa, so you don't get a bunch of bugs in your mouth. Whoa, check out down here. Whoa, kind of looks like a wheel and a tire. Wait a second, that's because it is a wheel and a tire. This is the nose gear. This helps the airplane while it's on the ground. Whoa! This is the cabin entry door. Check it out. Woo! Now we can go inside. Hello? Hello? Okay. Whoa! Whoa, look down here! It's another landing gear. This is the main landing gear. Yeah, it's another wheel and a tire. And there's another one on the other side. Oh, and the windows! Look! That's where the passengers look out from. Hello! Hey, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Whoa, good job! Whoa, what is this? It's a wing! Whoa! Whoa! It's so long! Wow, and it's so shiny! Look! Hello! Hey! Oh! Ooh, come back over here! Wow, that is the jet engine. Do you see it spin in a circle? Whoa, around and around it goes. That's what provides the airplane with all of its power. Whoa! Come on! Whoa, and the main body of the aircraft is called a fuselage. Let's go to the back. Oh, wait, see that? That is the empennage. Yeah, the back of the aircraft. Ooh, and in here, there's a cargo compartment. You have to open up, just like this. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Oh, you can store a lot of bags in there. Whoa. Oh, and look up here. Wow. That is the horizontal stabilizer fin. That is the vertical stabilizer fin. It helps the aircraft be nice and stable in the air. Whoa. Ooh, another compartment. Wow. Let's open it up and see what's inside. check it out, a bunch of engine stuff. Whoa, so interesting. Hey, I have another compartment to show you. Whoa! Whoa, look! Huh, what does this say? Fuel. 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 Oh, yeah! This is the fuel compartment. What? Whoa! Check it out! Yeah, that's where the fuel goes. Fuel is kind of like food or water to you and I. Whoa! It's what powers and provides fuel to the jet engine. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! This plane is pretty awesome. There are so many types of planes out there, like this one. This plane is a business plane, and it's a passenger plane. And there's also leisure planes. They look pretty similar. There are agriculture planes. Whoa! There's also cargo planes. Whoa! They can hold a lot of cargo. Hey, yeah, seaplanes. Whoa! Seaplanes can land on land. Ooh, and military planes. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, there are so many types of planes out there. I love planes. Now, let's take a flight inside the airplane. Come on. This is gonna be so much fun. Oh, watch your step. Come on. Whoa, check it out over here. Wow, this is the cockpit, and those are the pilots.
Hello.
Hi. Oh, let's take a seat. Oh, just like in a car, there's seat belts. Yep, first things first, safety first. You have to buckle up. Okay, this is gonna be so much fun. Whoa! This is cool. Hey, since we're not up in the air yet, let's go check out what the pilots are up to. Whoa, can you see? It's kind of like they're driving a car, but it's actually an airplane. Look! Now we're high in the sky, in the air. We're not touching the ground at all. Here, look. Whoa, did you see that? That's downtown Seattle. And I saw the Seattle Space Needle. Whoa! Wow! That was so much fun flying in this airplane. Hey, maybe next time you travel, you might be able to fly in an airplane. And don't worry, it's not scary. It's actually really safe. Hey, I was just doing the airplane dance. Will you do the airplane dance with me? This is gonna be so much fun. Here, I'll teach you. First, you put up your arms like you're an airplane. Whoa! Whoa! And you dance when you hear the music. But when the music stops, don't move a muscle. Ready? I sure do love acting like an airplane. So peaceful flying in the air. Whoa, it's like I'm a bird. Wait, no, I'm an airplane. Hey, how about we sing the airplane song?
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes are as big as a building, some are as small as a car.
That's amazing.
Some airplanes transport people, some fly near to the stars.
That's far.
Some airplanes fly with propellers, some airplanes fly with jet engines. I love to look up and see their wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane.
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes can land on water, but most land on landing strips.
So versatile.
Some airplanes fly just for fun, some fly for business trips.
Business or pleasure.
You can make an airplane out of paper, throw it in the air and watch it go. I love to look up and see its wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane.
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high.
go inside the airplane. Come on! Whoa! Wow! This airplane is so nice! Hey, look! It's a seat, ready just for me. Safety first, you have to buckle up. Ooh, and check this out. Wow! It's like a desk where I can do all of my editing on. Oh, enough of that. I need some water. You have to always remember to hydrate. After a long day of playing, you need to drink a lot of water. Okay, let's put the desk back. Perfect. Ooh, and check out back here. Check it out. It's a sink. Whoa, you can wash your hands right there. Woo-hoo. It's really important to keep your hands nice and clean. Ooh, and what's this? Aw, looks like a seat, but there's no seat belt. Huh. Whoa! We know what that is. Yeah, that's if you need to use the restroom when you're in the air. Whoa. Wow, I have an idea. Let's go check out the cockpit. Come on! Whoa. Whoa. This is a really tight squeeze. I don't think the Empire had Wookiees in mind when they designed this cockpit. Okay, anywho, first things first. Safety first. Let's buckle up. Okay. Lap belt secured. And then we need our headset. Hello? Can you hear me? Hey, yeah! Woo! Tower! This is Pilot Blippi. We're ready for takeoff.
Okay, Pilot Blippi, you're good to go.
Yeah, good job. Okay, then you grab the yoke. Whoa, look! Both yokes move at the same time. Whee! Yokes are kind of like steering wheels in a car. Whoa, and look at all of this! There's so many cool gadgets and avionics and buttons. I'm not gonna touch them for now. Ooh, and the throttle. Ooh. Push that forward, and then that's when you go really fast. Whoa! Ooh, and once you're in the air, this is the landing gear. Pull that up, and then the wheels and tires go inside the aircraft. Whoa! Airplanes are so cool. Hello! Whoa! That was so much fun learning about airplanes with you. Well, I should probably get going now. This is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, good job. Thank you so much to Air and Air. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at where I'm at. Whoa, today I'm at I Fly Indoor Skydiving in Seattle, Washington. This is so cool. Yeah, indoor skydiving. Yeah, normal skydiving is when you jump out of a plane. Whoa, I'm so scared. And then you pull out your parachute and go to the ground. But today, we get a skydive inside. Yeah, there's some giant fans that push air and pull air up. And then you're right here, and then you're flying. Yeah, I am so excited. Let's go. Hey, well done, I Fly Blippi. Woohoo, thanks for having me.
Go ahead and head on upstairs to the flight deck. We're ready for you to fly.
All right, let's go, come on. Flight deck viewing area. Oh, the flight deck must be right up here. Whoa, I am so excited. Whoa, here it is. Wow, this is the flight deck. Yeah, this is where you can watch. But this is the flight chamber. I am so excited. Whoa, check it out. Inside the flight chamber, it looks like there's a lot of colorful balls and a couple toys. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we turn on the flight chamber and see what items fly in the air first? Come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a second. We need some safety gear on. Hey, right over here, we have the yellow lockers. Whoa. Yep, it's this one. All right, we have our goggles. Oh, they're nice and clear. Protects our eyes. Perfect. Then we have some earplugs. Put it in the ear. Perfect. Roll it. And here's another ear. And they're both plugged. So now we can go inside and see what items fly. Whoa, check it out. I have my tote right here. And then I'm gonna see what items fly first. It looks like we have some just normal wiffle balls, a blue one and a pink one. Ooh, oh, we have a rubber ducky. Hey, look, and a rubber chicken. All right, hey, look over here. Whoa, a big basketball. Whoa. All right, let's turn it on, and then we'll see what items fly. Do you hear that? Whoa! The balls are starting to move. Whoa! Okay, gotta collect them all. Idea. Why don't I pour some of this water out and see if it floats in the air? Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Do you see them? It's just hovering in the air. Whoa! See you later, water droplets. They're flying really high in the air. I'll do some more. Whoa! A little bit more, and then I have a secret toy. Whoa! 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 They're getting on me. Oh, I'm getting wet. Okay, check this out. All right, now I have this really cool squirter right over here. And I'm gonna suck it up. All right, now this is full of water. Are you ready? Whoa! Normally when I squirt this, it squirts out really far. But now, whoa! Whee! Whoa! Whoa! That is a lot of water. Whoa! That was so much fun playing with all those toys and seeing what water does when air is coming super fast from below. But the point of this place is not to play with toys, it's to use our bodies and fly in the air ourselves. So let's learn how to do this in the classroom. Whoa! All right, what do we do?
Hey, Blippi, we're gonna watch a quick video, teach you everything you need to know, and then we'll go fly.
Awesome. All right, I guess we get to watch a video.
All right, Blippi. So now you know how to fly, right?
Yeah, sounds pretty good.
Couple of questions.
Okay,
What is this?
straighten your legs.
Got it. How about this one?
Bend your legs. And that's to relax a little bit.
Got it. And number one rule.
Chin up.
All right, you sound ready to go. Let's go get all your equipment on. Let's go
Okay.
get your helmet, your goggles, flight suit.
All right.
Going.
So I'm gonna put on all the safety gear on. So then we can fly. Yeah. All right. Looks like I have a lot of stuff to put on. Looks like I have my flight suit, a helmet, some goggles, and some earplugs. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, check it out. Yeah, how do I look? Woo! I am ready to fly. Let's head to the flight chamber. This is a high fly. This is where we go really high. Whoa, that was awesome. Okay, now let's let the expert go. Come on. This is gonna be awesome. Whoa, look at the whole machine. Wow, it's so big. Okay, here he goes. Whoa! Look at him go! Did you see him? He went up and then down and then spun around and wiggled. Just kidding, he didn't wiggle. He stayed nice and calm. Yeah, it was so cool. I had so much fun. And when I went, there's just tons of air pushing against my chest and my body. And when I went smaller, I went down. But then when I expanded, I went up. Yeah, because there's more surface area. Wow, that was so much fun. I cannot wait to do this again.
Well, Blippi, you did such a good job.
Whoa.
We have a flight certificate for you, and we'd love to have you back.
What is this? Flight
Good job.
certificate?
Well done.
Thank you so much. Wow, I just got a flight certificate because I completed a flight at iFly. Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That was so much fun at iFly Indoor Skydiving in Seattle, Washington. Whoa, it was so cool being able to have air push me from the bottom and make me feel what flying feels like. Whoa! Whoa! That was so much fun. But
this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right. See you again. Bye-bye. Whoa.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And look at what's behind me. Whoa, a really cool sign. What does it say? Skydiving International Speedway. Yeah! Today, I'm at Skydiving International Speedway in Tukwila, Washington. Hey, and check out that and that. What are those? Yeah, those are go-karts. Today, you and I are gonna learn and drive some go-karts. Whoa! Did you see those? Those were flags. Yep, and when you're racing go-karts, it's very important to listen to the flagger. Yeah, because the go-kart engines are so loud, they probably can't yell at you. And through the helmet, you can't hear them. So you can communicate with colored flags. Let's learn about them. Whoa, what color is this flag? Yeah, that flag is the color green. And this means it's the start of the race. As soon as that green flag drops, it's go time. Whoa, look at this flag. Yeah, this flag is the color yellow. Yeah, and the yellow flag, when you see the flagger, that means to slow down. Yeah, do not pass. That might mean that there's a little problem on the track. So be very careful. It means caution. Whoa, look at this flag. Wow, yeah, the color red. Just like a stop sign or a stoplight, it means stop immediately. There might be a big problem on the track. Maybe a couple carts spun out and they're blocking the track. Yeah, who knows? This flag just means to stop when you see it. Oh, another flag. Whoa, what color flag is this? Yeah, one of my two favorite colors. This is the blue flag. And when you see the flagger moving it up, that means move over, let others pass. Yeah, maybe I'll be going really slow. And that means if I see the blue one, I'm gonna move over to let others pass. Yeah, it's really important to be safe on the track. Oh, look at this one. Black flag. You are out of the race. Oh no, that doesn't sound like fun. Yeah, you might get this if you did something you shouldn't have, like maybe bumped people. Yeah, you're not supposed to bump during go-karts. These aren't bumper cars, they're go-karts. Whee! Oh, yeah, the white flag. That means one lap remaining. Oh, you know what this means? Give it some gas and go for the win. And the last flag. Yep, the black and white checkered flag. That means the race is over and that you probably won. Whoa! Check it out! Yeah, it's a go-kart. Yeah, we're learning about go-karts. Hey, let's learn the parts of a go-kart. Whoa, this thing is so awesome. Hey, do you know what this is called? Yeah, this is where you sit. Yeah, and this is called a seat. Whoa, look at what I'm holding. Yeah, this is the steering wheel. Pretty cool, huh? This is how you turn left and you turn right. Yeah, just like steering a car or a truck. Yeah, go-karts also have a steering wheel. Look at what my feet are pushing on. Yeah, this. See the red? That is the brake pedal. Yeah, if you push down on that, this is gonna stop the go-kart. And you see this one over here? What color is this one? Yeah, that's the color green. And you know what green means? Green means go! check this out. Yeah, one great thing about go-karts is they're nice and safe because they have a seatbelt. You have to remember to always wear your seatbelt. Yeah, and then obviously we'll be wearing a helmet too. Whoa, look at right here. Right in the center, this is where you fill up the go-kart with fuel. This go-kart takes gas. Let's open it up. Whoa, it's nice and full in there. I think it's ready to ride. So hey, have you ever seen the engine of a go-kart? Come check it out. All right. Wow, look at this. So let's pull off the cover. Whoa, look at the engine of the go-kart. Whoa, this is what creates the power. The gas goes in here, mixes with air, and then there's a spark from a spark plug, and then power is created. Wow, what a cool machine. I think it is time to ride a go-kart. Whoa, check out all of these go-karts. I am so excited to beat the lap record. Whoa, check them out. Whoa, do you see all of these go-karts? Yeah, all of these go-karts have a red number plate. So cool. Whoa, and look at all of these go-karts. All of these go-karts have a black number plate. Whoa, there's so many numbers. Come on. Whoa, look at this number. What number is this? There's a 1 and a 6. Yeah, 16. Yeah. Whoa. 2 of the same number. And both of the numbers are 2. 2, 2. What number is that? Yeah, 22. Good job. Hey, I have a simple math equation for you. Let's see. What is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! The number 3! Yeah! These go-karts look so much fun. Hey, let's pick one at the front, and then let's go for a ride! Let's see. How about this one? All right, let's hop in. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Not quite yet. You need to be very safe while you ride a go-kart. Let's go pick out a helmet. Whoa! Look at all of these helmets we can choose from. Whoa, I am so excited. Whoa. Check out this helmet. Yeah, this helmet looks so cool. It's the color green, black, white, whoa, and shiny silver. Whoa. Ooh, looks like we have one of my 2 favorite colors. Yeah, a blue helmet. Wow, this looks like a cool helmet. Whoa, look at this helmet. Yeah, what color helmet is this? Yeah, the color pink. I like this helmet. Helmets are really important to keep your head nice and safe while we're out go-karting. Can't forget about the color red. Whoa, look at this. Ring, ring, ring. And the last color helmet that we have is the color yellow. Yeah, that's a nice color. Kind of reminds me of the color of the sun, huh? Yeah. Man, there are so many colors of helmets here. What color helmet would you pick? Oh, I love that color. But I need a helmet right now. Let's see. I have an idea. Why don't I use some of my own safety equipment? Pants! Yeah! Woohoo! Gloves. Whoa! Now I'm ready to race. Ha! Let's go! All right, I think I am ready. Sit in the go-kart. Ooh, safety first. We have to wear our helmet, and we need to make sure we're buckled up.
All right, Blippi, you look completely ready to go. But the track record, 23.3. You think you can beat that?
I've never been more ready in my life. But wait a second, what's my time?
23.29. New track record.
Oh, look at it! Yeah! Yeah! Wow! Jeez, that was awesome! Did you see how fast we went? Oh, I love go-karts! Wow, this has been so much fun at Skydiving International Speedway in Tukwila, Washington. Woohoo! Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job! All right, see you again. Bye-bye!